Welcome back to Discover Agriculture, where we explore the wonders of gardening and fruit cultivation. Today, we're diving into the realm of all-season fruit trees, a treasure trove of nature's bounty that can grace your garden with delicious harvests throughout the year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your green journey, knowing about the best all-season fruit tree varieties can turn your garden into a fruitful paradise. Let's embark on this flavorful journey and discover the top contenders for the title of Best All-Season Fruit Trees. Citrus trees like oranges, lemons, limes. Citrus trees are champions of all-season fruit production. From juicy oranges in winter to refreshing lemons in summer and tangy limes in between, these trees offer a continuous harvest year-round. Varieties like Valencia oranges, Meyer lemons, and Bierce limes are popular choices due to their prolific fruiting and adaptability to various climates. Fig trees. Figs are not only delicious, but also resilient in diverse climates. They produce 2 crops a year, one in early summer and another in late summer to early fall, ensuring a steady supply of sweet, nutrient-rich fruits. Varieties like Brown Turkey and Celeste are renowned for their flavor and productivity. Apple trees. While apples are traditionally associated with autumn, certain varieties are excellent all-season performers. Some apple trees, such as the Anna and Dorset Golden varieties, thrive in warmer climates and can bear fruit in late spring to early summer, extending the apple season beyond its typical fall timeframe. Pomegranate trees. Pomegranates are a delight with their jewel-like arils packed with antioxidants. These trees bloom in spring and bear fruit in late summer to fall, providing a burst of flavor and nutrition during multiple seasons. Varieties like Wonderful and Eversweet are highly recommended for their fruit quality and productivity. Cherry trees. Cherries are beloved for their sweet taste and versatility in culinary creations. Certain cherry tree varieties, such as the Stella and Lapins cherries, yield fruit in early to midsummer, extending the cherry season and adding vibrant colors to your garden landscape. Apricot trees. Apricots are early bloomers, gracing your garden with beautiful blossoms in spring and yielding delicious fruits in early summer. Varieties like Moorpark and Gold Cod are renowned for their flavor and reliable fruiting, making them prized additions to any fruit garden. Conclusion. In the realm of all-season fruit trees, the options are as diverse as they are delicious. By selecting the best all-season fruit tree varieties like citrus trees, figs, apples, pomegranates, cherries, and apricots, you can create a fruitful haven in your garden that keeps on giving season after season. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!